Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel we film about skincare, product review, supplement review, everything DIY, everything concerning skincare. So if this is the kind of content you want to love to know, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to notify each time once I'm here with a new video. So today I'm giving you a low budget list of set of moisturizer to get a radiant skin. Yes, this low budget set is going to give you a radiant skin. It's a routine actually. Yes, it's not just a product, it's a routine you can do. If you're going to get a lighter skin, you can use this budget. If you're going to maintain your skin as well, you can use this budget. And if you're a dark skin person as well, you can use this budget. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So the first on my list, the first thing you need to do if you're looking to get a very nice skin is to know that you need a scrub. Yeah, I know a lot of people have emphasized this for you, but you still feel it's not necessary. It is very, very necessary. So you need to choose a scrub that is of your own skin type. Yeah, a scrub that is mild for you, that would not alter your skin or would not react to your skin. We have varieties of scrub out there. You can get the Ashanti scrub, you can get the Cool Spa scrub. Yeah, there are a lot of scrubs, and if you'd like to know about scrubs you can get in this, yes, if you'd like to know the good scrubs to get, I drop a video now to best scrubs you can get at cheap price from the market already, so you can go check out that video. So you need a good scrub. Yes, you need a very, very good scrub. At least you should scrub your skin at least 2 times in a week. It is just very important. Yeah, I know you can be busy at times, you get to forget, but just get used to scrubbing your skin at least 2 times in a week. So the second thing you want to get is a moisturizer. I know a lot of people have also told you about this. I know you've heard it about from a lot of places. You can get moisturizer from any brand. If you are sure that it's a good moisturizer, get a good moisturizer. That's the first thing you need to get. That's the second thing you need to get. There are a lot of moisturizers out there as well. You can search for any moisturizer. We have Nivea. We have a lot of moisturizers out there. Neutrogena. We have a lot of moisturizer. Just do your findings on the good moisturizers you should get. Then if you're a light skin, this next thing applies to light skin. So if you're a light skin, you'll be getting your lightening lotion as you probably have a lightening lotion. And make sure, another thing you should avoid when you need an LD lightening skin, LD light skin, or LD skin in general, because this video is for everybody. If you're looking to lighten up your skin, if you're looking to maintain your skin, and if you're a dark skin. So if you're a light skin, you get your lightening lotion. Yes, make sure your lightening lotion does not contain steroids. So I always say this: if you're making a lightening lotion or you get your lightening effect from steroid, it's harder to maintain, because if you're using a lightening lotion that contains steroid and you now want to use a natural product, it darkens your skin. It doesn't give that glow. But if you use a natural lotion that has a lightening effect, to get your lightening effect, it's easier to maintain such skin, even though it's not your original skin. Sure, you get my point. So if you're using a lightening lotion, get a good lightening skin lotion that is safe enough for you. And if you're a dark skin, get a good lotion for yourself as well. However, a dark skin, you do not even need to get extra lotion. If you're a light skin using this routine, you can get your lightening lotion, because those moisturizers are not going to lighten you. But if you're a dark skin or a caramel skin looking to maintain what you have already, then you can go with just the moisturizer without adding any other lotion to it. The only person that will be needing 2 different lotions in this routine is anyone that is looking to lighten or brightening up their skin, because most time moisturizer does not lightening or brightening. So you need your lightening lotion, and I will also be teaching you how to use your routine once I list it out. So after getting your lightening lotion, the next thing you would also need is a glow oil. I know this glow oil is not easy for everybody to use, and or glow oil or body butter. Yes, you can get a body butter that is not too greasy. Yes, I know a lot of people don't like to apply body butter because it's too greasy and it leaves your skin feeling too tacky. So you can get a very good body butter that is not too greasy. Yes, you can order from it from us. We have a good body butter that is not too greasy as well as a moisturizer. So you get a body oil or a body butter. You can interswitch your moisturizer with a body butter or a body oil. Yes, the reason I said you can get a body oil or a body butter is because locking moisture into your skin, sometimes moisturizers are not enough for it. You need a oil to lock it in or a butter to lock it in. That's the reason I told you you'll be needing a body butter or a body oil. The next thing you will be needing is your sunscreen. Yes, this is practically a body routine. Yes, not a full skin routine. You have your facial routine, and I wouldn't want to talk about facial routine in this video because a lot of people suffer from different facial issue. So depend on your facial issue will depend on what you'll be using on your face. And so all this routine I'm giving you right now is basically for the skin. It's practically for the skin. So the last thing you'll be needing for this routine is your sunscreen. Yes, I know people have told you, yeah, you are even tired of hearing the fact that you need a sunscreen, but really, if you're looking to get that radiant skin, glowing skin, yes, healthy skin, popping skin, then you need a sunscreen. And mind you, sunscreen is not meant to be applied only when it's sunny or when you're going into the sun. You're meant to apply your sunscreen every time. So the way you will use, if you're a light skin on this watching this video, the way you will use this set is to use your moisturizer. You exfoliate your skin twice in a day. Use your moisturizer in the morning, lock it in with your body oil or your body butter. Then you use your lightening lotion at night only. Make sure after locking in your body butter or your body oil, you're topping it up with your sunscreen 30 minutes before going into the sun. Then you use your lightening lotion at night. And the good thing about, another thing you can do aside using your lightening lotion at night is to skip your lightening lotion. If you get a very strong lightening lotion, you can use it just 4 times or 5 times in a week. The remaining 2 weeks, make sure you use your moisturizer all through the week and leave your skin to just be fine with the moisturizer during the weekend as well. So what I'm saying in essence is, if you're light skin watching this video, you need your moisturizer, you need your scrub first. You scrub your skin 2 times in a week. After scrubbing your skin, you use your moisturizer in the morning. After generously applying your moisturizer, you top it up with a glow oil or a body butter. Then at night, you use your, after bathing, you use your whitening or lightening or any lotion that you want to give you that effect. You use it at night. Then you always make sure to use your sunscreen. So that's the easy routine for a light skin. For a caramel or a dark skin looking to maintain their skin, you exfoliate your skin as well 2 times in a week. The next thing you do, you apply your moisturizer. Apply your moisturizer morning and night. Since you're not using any other products, you lock in your moisturizer with your glow oil or your body butter to give that glowing effect. Yes, that glowing effect, some of you think is filter. When you see someone having this kind of glossy aurora kind of feel, you think it's filter. It's actually what they are applying. When you apply enough moisturizer and you lock it in with maybe a glowing oil or a body butter, your skin looks so beautiful. Yes, if you want to test this, you can apply enough oil on your pen and make a video of that area. You see this beautiful view of your skin. So applying this often gives a permanent healthy skin. So if you're a dark skin, like I said, you need your body scrub twice in a week. You need your moisturizer morning and night, and you lock it in with your body oil or body butter. Then do not forget to use your sunscreen every day. So if this video was helpful, yeah, this is the end of my video. This is a very simple skincare routine that wouldn't cost you much, that would help you maintain your skin, give you a radiant, beautiful skin without issues. You don't even get to start developing knuckles. As a light skin that you're using this routine, you won't be having knuckles, black patch, and all those issues if you blend the routine in this manner. So if this video was actually helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to notify each time once I'm here with a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much, Auntie Boda. You've been the reason why I've always been making a video here. I really appreciate you. And if you're a new time person, you're seeing my video for the first time, please make sure to subscribe. However, we do skincare training, online training, advanced training, beginner training, all skincare training, and we do wholesale package, private labeling. If you cannot go through the stress of making products yourself, we sell effective, natural, and active products. So if you are looking to get products and resale, we had the right plug. Kindly chat up the number you're seeing on the screen. I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching my video. Bye. Peace.